Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm sharing with you a very simple recipe that you and your family are going to love. This fish recipe is absolutely delicious and super easy to make. Very soft on the inside and super crispy outside. So good. If you're new here, you are warmly welcome. With me here is my two fishes. Okay, I have two large red snapper and two large porgies, which I've cut them into my preferred size, and they are nicely washed with vinegar, water, and some lemon. To that, I'm going to season it with some season of choice. I have some paprika, sage, cayenne pepper, Italian seasoning, and some oregano. I'm going to go ahead to sprinkle it on the fish. Then goes in my salt to taste. We'll mix everything together until our fish is well marinated. Once that is done, I'll go ahead to transfer it into a clear bowl. Well, you can leave it like that. I wanted it in a clear bowl. So what you do is to just cover it with your plastic wrap, marinate it overnight in your fridge. We are back. So the following morning, our fish is well marinated. What I'll do next is to just add some flour to a plate. I'm using all-purpose flour. So the quantity of flour really depends on the amount of fish you have. Now I'm just going to coat the fish with the flour, making sure that the fish is well coated. And another way to fry your fish, if you don't really like a lot of flour on your fish, is to just sprinkle some flour into your oil, then add in your marinated fish. That will work perfectly too. In the meantime, we will heat up some oil. To that, we'll add in onion and some fresh rosemary. This will give you additional flavor to the fish. While we wait for the oil to heat up, we'll continue to coat the rest of the fish. Alright, our oil is hot enough. We'll go ahead to deep fry the coated fish. This is really simple. You don't really have to do much. It's super easy and absolutely delicious. Trust me, you're going to love it. So I'm going to let it fry until they are nice and golden brown. You also want to make sure you keep your eye on it so that it doesn't burn. When one side is ready, you just flip it over so that the other side can also cook. So the fish is ready when it's golden brown. Okay, like you see here, this is how I like my fish. Some people like it a bit more fried, so a bit more darker. It all depends on how you like your fried fish. So I'm just going to take it out of the oil and then let the excess oil drain on the paper towel. And quick tip is these onions are very flavorful. Please don't throw it away. You can just add it to your blended spice whenever you're making your stew. It will give you that delicious flavor you want, or you're making fish stew. Yes. We'll continue to fry the rest of the coated fish until they are nice and golden brown. And there you have it, guys. Perfectly fried fish that you can enjoy. So flavorful and absolutely delicious. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you will pair your fried fish with. I paired my fried fish with some rice, corned beef, and some green chili sauce I made recently on my channel. You can check it out. Thank you all so much for watching. Until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys!